channel. In this video, I'm gonna go over an exercise that you can do to help transform your upper chest. All you're gonna need is an incline bench and a pair of dumbbells. And if you stick to the end, I'm gonna tell you how many sets and reps you should be doing to get the most out of your hard work and dedication. But before I show you these exercises, I'm gonna go over the setup, because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So let's get started. When it comes to the height of the incline, have it at 45 degrees, halfway between flat and all the way up. If you decide to have it lower or higher, the lower the incline is, the more middle chest you target, and the higher the incline, the more front delt you target. Now, when you do sit down on the bench, make sure you have the weights in your hand already. Once that happens, hike up the weights towards your chest with your legs. Do not curl it up, because that's gonna be too much strain on yourself, and we want all the hard work to be done when we're doing the exercise. Now, when you lay back on the bench, have your back flat, the weights pressed up against your chest. Keep those shoulders down, your core tight, and feet firm in the ground, all for stability. And we're also gonna bring our shoulder blades back a little bit for some extra stability. Now, when we do that, our back will arch slightly and our chest will rise, but that's okay. Just make sure you're not arching your back to the point where you can see between your legs. That's not okay, because when you have your chest up high like that, the less range of motion, and when it comes to building muscle, less range of motion means the exercise is easier, which means the muscles being worked less, which means less muscle growth, and we don't want that. And now that our setup is complete, we're gonna press the weights against each other. We're gonna form this upside down V with our forearms, and we're gonna maintain that shape throughout the entire range of motion. Now, when we press up, we're gonna explode up, go to the point where our arms are completely straight, and we're gonna be breathing out at the same time. Now, when we lower the weight towards our chest, we're gonna do it in a smooth and controlled fashion. Do not let the weights bounce off your chest, because that's using momentum. And when it comes to building muscle, momentum is the enemy. We want all the work to be done by the muscle that's being worked on. And also, dropping 30, 40, 50, 60 pounds on your chest is not good for your sternum or your rib cage. And when it comes to sets and reps, if you have a dedicated chest day with multiple exercises, I recommend for this one, 3 to 5 sets, 12 reps with progressive overload. And if you're brand new to training, progressive overload is after each set, you increase the weight. So let's say for the first set, I do 30 pounds. Second set, I'll do 35 pounds. Now, if you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe, turn on that bell, leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, subscribe, and tell everyone that you know about this channel. Subscribe for them, go to their phone, subscribe for them, turn on that bell for them, so that way they can get value as well. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.